Daddy broke it at work. Today, we're going to go over and review this Gorilla Super Glue. I don't know if you've gone down the glue aisle, but it's a little ridiculous. What goes with what? I mean, there's some stuff that says bonds with virtually everything, but that doesn't mean everything. So what is that? I don't know. So I went with this because it actually said leather, and that's what I need it for. So this happened today while I was at work. Man, that's annoying. If it's ever happened to you, annoying. So I've had these Chippewas. These Chippewas were my friends. He had them for years, and then I ended up taking them over. I've had them for like 6 years. These things are worth every single penny. I use these daily, and this is the only thing that's happened. The rest of the shoe's in good shape. Hey, no knives. I have kids. They're fantastic. So anyways, so apparently all you gotta do, I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, we're gonna shake it. Probably don't supposed to shake it. But you take it off and you do a small little mount. Me, I'm going to apply it here in this section instead of trying to apply it here. You got a spoon? Cool beans, dude. What are you eating? Oh, cereal? That's not what you said, but that's what you're eating. I guess, does it come out? Does it come out already? It is? Okay, note to self. You gotta cut it. It probably says that on the thing. But, okay. Oh yeah, it does. So apparently there's this little illustration on there that says that is 1 square inch, and that's how many you do. I don't know about all that though. So we're gonna do quite a few. Your mom has water bottles for your eyes? Oh my goodness. I'm divorced. Oh, where? Oh, that one?
She can only do 1, 2, 3, 1 water bottle into her eye. She can these water bottles into her eyes. Only one. She needs to die.
Give me a kiss. Thank you.
Can I watch you doing that?
You sure can.
Because I'm a princess, right? Princess can watch everything. You watch your daddy, your mom, your grandma, your other things.
Princesses can do all that. Oh my
They
goodness.
can watch everyone if they want to.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Build this all up. This is gonna be our house.
Daddy,
What, baby?
Oh, this is gonna be the pool.
I did a nut, see?
Oh,
I did
yeah?
a nut on you, look, see?
Oh my goodness.
See, look at me.
Let
How
me
many pictures?
Oh my goodness. You are just so pretty.
That,
You are the prettiest.
that's not a super
This is super glue, baby.
glue. It's not.
Ooh.
It will not stick.
It's working. Trust me. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I think. Ow.
It's me and your picture.
I know. You're in my picture.
Now sit down. Hey, hello. 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 Hello.
So it says that this is supposed to bond in 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, I'm supposed to be able to stop and let go and all that jazz. But I don't know about all that. I'm not real convinced. I mean, it is
This is not a
somewhat.
This is
Let's go ahead and put some extra right here.
mine.
I'm just doing this.
And
Wait.
put some extra right here.
Okay.
Why? What are you doing to me?
This right here.
Ah!
Yeah.
So we'll put that right there. I mean, really, I just want this to seal together so it won't come off. Hey, all right. Hey, Eileen, go in the kitchen and get my. There's two. Hey, oh, get down. You're gonna fall. In the kitchen is two clamps. Will you get them?
Oh.
They're metal clamps. They're go in. Go in the kitchen. Turn left. Turn. No, that's right. Left. Yep. Now, yep. On that. Right there. See? Nope. Okay, I'll get it. Thank you. All right, watch out, Sophia. Sophia. All right, hop up, baby. Daddy's gotta hurry because this glues.
Don't people put them?
Maybe.
Is it bulk?
What?
It's other shoe bulk.
No, my other shoe's good.
So you can not broken. Not you.
My other shoe is not broken.
Not you.
It's stepsister. Almost the stepsister. Oh, and I have this huge.
Hello.
So go ahead and answer questions. Yeah, I keep clamps in my kitchen. Hold 1 second. B, I have no idea what this is made of. I know this is leather, obviously, but I couldn't tell you what this sole's made out of. Definitely not leather, some sort of rubber composite. And it smells terrible. But one thing is nice is when you're done, you just put it on there. Pretty dope. Well, I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully it works. So I don't have to buy more Chippewas because I didn't buy these. But they are expensive. So hopefully this solves my problems. God bless. Good day. Happy 4th of July.